a Prophet Elijah Bamidele Elijah Charles. By the grace of God, I am the privileged senior prophet of Christ House of Prayer and Deliverance Ministry. I want you to be my guest on this program. Wherever you are all over the world, the God of Elijah is waiting for you. The God who has called me to the prophetic will do something miraculous in your life. Are you sick? Are you barren? Are you going through depression? Are you possessed? You need deliverance. What is it you need?
Heaven and earth sing your praise.
You will see my God in action. I pray for you wherever you are, as many of you that will be attending this program, that my God will bless you, my God will favor you. Your coming to this program will not be in vain. The God of Elijah will meet you at the point of your need. I decree upon you that your glory will shine. It is well with you. Be my guest. Be waiting for you on that day.
We are located at number 11, Unity Close, Igbo-Oluwo Estate, Ikorodu, Lagos State.
God bless you.
God bless you. See you there.
They talk about your miracles and grace.